Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we're taking a look at my June 2022 Petit Vour box. Before we get started, I am wearing the Medusa's Makeup Glitter that came in this month's subscription in the color Sputnik, which is just kind of a silver, a mid-tone silver. And I've got that packed on the lid. You will want a really sticky base. My base was not very sticky and it kind of went everywhere, but it does look really cool. Just a really pretty glitter eye. And so yeah, I'm really quite fond of that. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what came in the box. So here is our card for the month. It's like a little clam with a pearl in it. We're getting 4 items this month. So let's just go right ahead and pick one out. So this is Neil's Yard Remedies Wild Rose AHA Toner. So from the name of this, I'm already pretty sure I'm not going to be using it as a toner because it's probably got rose in it, but let's read the description first. So this is a $12 value for 100 milliliters. Renew and refine your complexion with this certified organic toner, expertly formulated with a natural source of AHAs. Gentle and effective, even for sensitive skin, this daily resurfacing treatment with organic wild rose hip seed oil reveals brighter, more even looking skin. So before I judge it, let me read the ingredients. So there are a few things in here that I don't care to use, but there's a flower oil in like the upper lower half, if that makes sense. But in the first half of the ingredients, there's a floral oil. So this is definitely not something I'll be using. I guess I'll just pass this along to a friend or maybe put it into the upcoming future giveaway. I'm not sure, but I'm not using it. The next item we have is from Angelo Naturals. This is the 1000 Roses Body Lotion. So maybe the theme this month is roses. I think I've actually had this one before, and I'm not worried about the fragrance because of it being a body lotion. I'm less picky about that on my body, but let's read the description. It's a $3 value for 50 milliliters, and it says, this ultimate skin food blends emollient-rich rosehip and argan oils with shea and cocoa butters to nourish, smooth, and soften the appearance of dry skin. So I'm actually really excited to get this. I did not have a really good size to travel with when we went to the beach this past weekend, so I'm probably going to tuck this away until we travel again, which should be mid-July-ish. And so I have a little bottle of lotion to take with me. So that's pretty cool. The next item I've pulled out here is from Upcircle. It's an eye cream with repurposed maple and coffee extract. It says it firms and brightens. Let's read about this. It's a $20 value for 10 milliliters. It says a gentle dermatologically approved eye cream to brighten, refresh, and renew, reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. So, as always, it's all about the ingredients. So let me read the ingredients and make sure there's not anything terrible in here. So I'd say about 3/4 of the way through the ingredient list there is chamomile oil, which concerns me. That is going to be a fragrant oil, and it's going to be right under your eye, which is a little bit iffy. So I'm probably not going to use this because my eyes in particular are actually very, very sensitive to fragrant things. So I'm not going to end up using this one. So that's 2 for 2, or 2 for 3 so far that I'm just not even going to use. And the last item is from Mineral Fusion. I think I'm holding it upside down. It is the retractable brow pencil in blonde. So we're going to have to bust this open and see if the blonde is actually blonde, because a lot of times they say it's blonde and I don't know a single blonde person that could actually use it. So we're going to open this up in a minute, but let me go ahead and read you the description. So it's a $20 value for 1 gram of product. Dual ends make this the perfect all-in-one brow tool. The thin spoolie is ideal for shaping and blending color for a more natural look, while the velvety glide-on mineral pigments provide buildable, long-lasting natural color. Okay, so let's open this up and take a look at the shade of blonde. So on one end we have a spoolie. I mean, it's not the most luxe looking spoolie, but it does look like it would get the job done. I do like this little pale pink color of the the pencil itself, which really doesn't affect anything. I just think it's cute. Now let's swatch this pencil. I am excited. I actually think that that will work. Very exciting. That is a very nice blonde tone. It does lean a little warm, so we'll have to see how it looks. Sometimes when the blondes look like they're gonna work, they're like actually a light shade, but they're a little warm. When you put them on, it kind of looks more like a ginger brow than a blonde brow. But I am very excited to give this a try. So that one I'm very excited about. So 2 products that I am pretty jazzed to use. This comes to $23 in value versus $32 of value that I'm not going to get. So with this being a 50-50 box, I'm really not that pleased about it, even though I am excited to get these 2 products. This is close to failing for me, honestly. I'm gonna give it like a D+. It's not the worst. I am excited about these, but like more than half the value I'm not using. So, meh. Yeah, that's my analysis. That being said, I could see where the ingredients in these maybe wouldn't bother some people and how they would use it and get full value out of the box, because they're not the worst offenders as far as ingredient lists. They're just not things I want to use. So that's my opinion on this month's box. Let me know if you got the box and what you think about it. If you enjoyed this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Be sure to go down into my description box and check out Amandaphenomenon.com, where I've been posting tons of more blog posts. Check out my Instagram. I've been posting a lot there too. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!